In the arid heart of Utah, in the city of Salt Lake City, where the wind carves the desert before people ever arrive, a small biotech company quietly came into being. Its name was Co-Diagnostics, a firm that promised to revolutionize how humanity detects disease. The company's foundation rested on molecular diagnostics, specifically the polymerase chain reaction, or PCR, a method that amplifies minute quantities of genetic material millions of times to reveal the presence of viruses, bacteria, or genetic disorders. PCR testing is widely considered the gold standard of molecular diagnostics, offering extraordinary precision. But the process has long carried a heavy price: complex laboratory infrastructure, expensive reagents, and skilled technicians. Co-Diagnostics entered the scene to rewrite that reality. Its founders claimed they could make PCR faster, cheaper, and accessible to anyone, anywhere. Their vision was bold: a future where a handheld device, not a clinical laboratory, could diagnose infectious diseases with laboratory-level accuracy. The company officially stepped into the financial spotlight on July 12, 2017, when it went public on the NASDAQ, raising about $7 million at an initial public offering price of $6 per share. At the time, this was an unusual debut. Most medical diagnostics companies go public only after securing recurring revenue or regulatory milestones. Co-Diagnostics, however, was still in a pre-commercial stage, banking on a single innovation: its proprietary coprimer technology. This technology promised to solve a long-standing problem in PCR testing: non-specific amplification, the tendency of reactions to produce false or confusing results. Co-Diagnostics claimed that coprimers could nearly eliminate this issue, improving both sensitivity and accuracy. If true, it would make molecular diagnostics cleaner, more reliable, and potentially transformative. Investors were intrigued. Here was a small company in the Utah desert, daring to challenge the giants of molecular testing. Then came 2020, and with it, a global catastrophe: the COVID-19 pandemic. As the virus spread uncontrollably, demand for PCR testing skyrocketed. Co-Diagnostics seized the moment. Its COVID-19 test kits reached the market quickly, winning emergency use authorizations and generating unprecedented revenue. The company's stock price soared. Investors, desperate for exposure to pandemic-era winners, flocked to it. For a brief, shining moment, Co-Diagnostics became a symbol of biotech agility, a company that could move faster than bureaucracy itself. But beneath the euphoria, cracks began to form. On July 5, 2023, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, announced that certain Co-Diagnostics press releases regarding its COVID screening test could have been misleading to investors.